Assalamu alaikum, dear students. So today we'll try to develop a small network. Okay, in that network we'll be having our so some PCs and one web server configured, one router will be using, one or two router will be using, and then we'll try to configure the routers, and then we'll use the one DHCP server. So hopefully things are not going to be that difficult. So starting with the first one, I'll just go for my end devices. On the end devices, I just want to uh, pick my devices and devices. So I'll just press Control N and just select my PCs. So 1, 2, 3 PCs I have selected. So I'll just go into my network devices and I just take the switch. Okay, just basic switch. Okay, and just click it here. Okay, sorry, I just select the switch. Selected the switch and just go and take the switch and click it here. So I don't need this PC here. Go and delete this PC and release my mouse with X escape. So this is very basic network we have already done before. So just, and then I'm just going with quicker because we have done this thing before. So just go and select my this cable. So I'll do again the same Control N, Control and then click the cable. So then I keep on connecting my cable to this switch. With fast Ethernet. Okay, and I just go here and configure my PCs. I've already done it before for you. So let's see 192.168.2.1.2. Okay, so just save it like this, and then I'll just go for the next PC. This is a simple network 192.168.1.3. Okay, and then third one 192.168.1.4. okay, just see here there is a network. So this is these green lines are showing this network is connected through the switch. We don't need to configure the switch. So I'll just go in this PC and just click it in the prompt command and ask for this PC number 4, which has been the IP address 4. So I say ping 192.168.1.4. okay, in this PC I want to ping this PC. Okay, so it's successful. Ping is fine, going good. So I can do ping from any of the PCs. Select those all with the Control C and then Control V, copy it and just bring this copy of this network here. Okay, press escape to now release it somewhere. So now just take this mouse and make my network like this and just go and change the IP addresses here. This is my another network. I'll keep the same IP addresses. Okay, further we'll go. So I'll keep here 5. Okay, 4 was this one, so this is 5, and this will be, sorry, this will be 6. Okay, and this will be my 7. Okay, this is very basic network. So now these are PCs, so I can give them the title. Okay, this is 192.168.1.2. okay, just copy it, Control C, and I just go select another title here and then paste it, Control B, and change it to 3. This I will again do the same, put it here and paste it here and make it 4. Okay, and then just make it 5, and make this IP, this is 6, this is 6. Okay, this is the title. We should understand which IP address is with them. Okay, this is 7. Okay, and now we can change the PC's name. So I can call my this PC name, I may call it PC2. Okay, 2, and I may call this one as 3. Okay, because with respect to the IP addresses I'm just writing them. So this is 4, and this is 5 PC5, and this just for the sake of understanding where we are. Okay, it's not going to make any difference in our network, but for good practices we should do it. 6, and this is our PC7, which is 7. Okay, so we could see I can configure from this PC to this PC easily because these lines are showing. So I'll just go with another cable, that is cross through cable, connecting my this switch to this switch. Okay, and this may take some time. As far as this connectivity is showing, there is a good sign. There is no red lines here, so would have been you have to do means find out the problem. So there's no problem, it will take time. If you want to go faster, just click this forward button, so you can see it is connected now. So now I can ping from this PC to this PC easily. So I just go in this PC, okay, and I go into the desktop, and in the desktop I'll click the command prompt. Okay, I am in this PC. I want to configure in the PC number 5. From PC number 1 to PC number 5, I say ping 192.168.1.5. Okay, so it's successful, showing me the successful ping is going on. I can use the PDU. Okay, so I just click it here, and if I before doing PDU, see my mouse is going the rightmost corner of my monitor. Just this by default it is in, so you have to bring this windows out. This is our PDU window. It will tell us what is the status of our packet. So if I click on PC number 3 and I go and click on PC number 7, so it says successful. The packet has been sent from 3 to 7 successful. We can see this in simulation, so I just click it in simulation and I just go and play it. You can see the packet status coming from PC3 to switch is fine. Okay, then from switch to switch, okay, is fine, and then from switch to PC is very much fine. Okay, from switch to PC number 7 is fine. Okay, so it goes back. Okay, it will show you the rounded time. Goes back, it is fine, and from switch to switch it is fine, and then from switch to PC it is fine. This is our ISEMP protocol showing us all the status is fine. So we'll just delete this, okay, and keep our real-time environment here. So I'll just, this is basic network. Okay, here I'll just go and just configure one server. Okay, simple server, we call it web server. Okay, I'll just keep one web server here, and I just connect my web server to my switch. Okay, so I go and give IP address to my web server, that is let's make it 192.168.1.20. okay, so it should be different. Okay, I have given the IP addresses. Now web servers gives us some services, so I go into the services, and in the services, different services, the web servers are there. So we'll be working on HTTP. Okay, so I'll just click HTTP and make sure that this is working. Okay, so I go into the index. Okay, and I just click it, my index, edit my index. Okay, and I just go into my header HR. Here it is written, welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, I just go and delete this welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer, and I simply say welcome to computer network system. Okay, and I just save it. Save, yes, I want to save. If I just ping from here, this computer, I should be able to ping it. So instead of pinging, I just use the PDU. So I just take PDU from this PC to this PC. It says successful. Okay, this is good. It's working. So if it is successful, can I browse it? I'll go into my browser of this PC and write the IP address 192.168.1.20. okay, the IP address of this server is 20. If I click it here, it says welcome to the network class. Wonderful. So it's working. So I'll go here and write the IP address of my PC. This one is 20. Fine. So this is good. Let me have another server here. because very basic network. So I just go and select another server here and click the server here. Okay, so what I do, I just connect this server and connect it with this PC, and simple go give IP address to this server. Okay, IP address of this server is 192.168.1.30. Okay, let's make it 30. Okay, and just take one IP address here and write its IP address is 30. Done. Okay, so this is done. What the server is, so I'll write this name. The server's name is, this is my web server. Okay, web server, and this server, let's make it DHCP server, DHCP server. Okay, so just will go, and as I have given IP address, I can configure it. I can see I can get connected, so I can take my PTU from here and here. It says successful. Okay, good. So now I just want to see how the server will do. So I'll go into the services of the server, services. So I'll go into the DHCP, and I just create one pool. Like this is by default name pool, so I just change the pool name, pool 1, and there is no gateway, so I don't need to change this gateway. Okay, this is IP address I'll be changing. So by default, one IP address we keep it with us. So it says starting IP address, from where should it start? Okay, it should start from, okay, let's make it okay, let's make it from 30. Okay, because 31, because we have given this 20 and 30 to our server, so we just, on a safer side we'll say 31. Okay, and then this is fine, we'll switch it on. Okay, and then we say save it. Okay, now this is pool 1 is saved. Okay, IP addresses are given to it starting from 31. Okay, this is basic, very basic. So I go into my this computer and I just delete the IP address, and I just say take the IP address dynamically instead of taking what I have written. So all my work is gone, so it should take IP address dynamically from the server. So it's taking IP address 192.168.1. so that, and this one, are you going to take 2? Just going to take 2. Okay, and are you going to take an IP address? Yes, 3. Good. So are you going to take an IP address dynamically? Okay, so let's take the IP address dynamically. Yes, taking 4. So let's all IP addresses are dynamic. Okay, yes, this is taking. So now our computers are taking IP addresses from the server. Okay, the 7. So we can now ping these computers from this to this, and it's very easy. So I go into my PC number 4 and I say ping. I will go into the desktop. Okay, I'll say ping. Which computer you want to ping? Suppose I want to ping PC number. So IP address is a bit different now. This is 7. Okay, so I was in PC 4, so I can ping till 7. So ping 192.168.1.7. Okay, it's fine, it's pinging. So this is a basic network. It's very good. So this is what we had in this class. Okay, hope it is clear. Thank you very much. Inshallah, I'll be uploading another where we configure the router, and then we configure the DHCP server with the help of the router.